Hello everyone. This is a video lecture for the subject cybersecurity, and we are going to see one by one topics from the fifth unit. The fifth unit is about intrusion prevention. We can see the first topic, firewall and intrusion prevention system. The objectives of studying this topic is to understand the need of intrusion prevention systems and to understand the working of intrusion prevention systems. An intrusion prevention system (IPS) is a form of network security that works to detect and prevent identified threats. Intrusion prevention system continuously monitor your network, looking for possible malicious incidents and capturing information about them. Also, it will reports these malicious events to system administrators and takes preventative actions such as closing access points and configuring firewalls to prevent future attacks. IPS solutions can also be used to identify issues with corporate security policies, deterring employees and network guests from violating the rules these policies contain. Intrusion prevention systems work by scanning all network traffic. There are a number of different threats that an IPS is designed to prevent. They are denial of service attack, distributed denial of service attack, various types of exploits, worms, viruses. These kind of attacks can be identified and prevented by the intrusion prevention system. It will perform a real-time packet inspection, deeply inspecting every packet that travels across the network. If any malicious or suspicious packets are detected, IPS will carry out one of the following actions. It will terminate the TCP session that has been exploited and block the offending source IP address or user account from accessing any application, target host, or other network resources unethically. Let us see the types of prevention. An intrusion prevention system is typically configured to use a number of different approaches to protect the network from the unauthorized access. These include signature-based prevention and anomaly-based prevention, policy-based prevention. Signature-based approach was predefined signatures of well-known network threats. When an attack is initiated that matches one of these signature or patterns, then if the signature of the network or the incoming data matches with the attacker signature, then the necessary actions will be taken. Anomaly based. Anomaly means behavior of the network or behavior of the network traffic. Anomaly based approach monitors for any abnormal or unexpected behavior on the network. If an anomaly is detected, the system blocks access to the target host immediately. In case of policy-based prevention system, it requires administrators to configure security policies according to organizational security policies and the network infrastructure. When an activity occurs that violates a security policy, an alert is triggered and sent to the system administrators. Now let us start with the firewall. Firewall is a network security device that prevents unauthorized access to the network. It monitors both incoming and outgoing traffic using a predefined set of security to detect and prevent threats. As we told, it is a security device. Either it may be hardware or software based, which monitors all incoming and outgoing traffic, and based on a defined set of security rules, it will accept, reject, or drops that specific traffic. Firewall will take three decisions: accept, reject, or drop. Accept means it will allow the traffic. Reject means block the traffic but reply with an unreachable error. Drop means block the traffic with no reply. So the firewall will filter the incoming and outgoing network traffic with security policies that have previously been set up inside an organization. It is essentially the wall. It acts as a wall that separates a private internal network from the open internet as it is. So here we can see how the firewall will be installed in between the outside network and the inside network like local area connection, The firewall will protect the inside network from the attacker traffic. The firewall, the network with the help of firewall, before using the firewall, network security was performed by access control list residing on routers. Access control lists are rules that determine whether network access should be granted or denied to the specific IP address. But ACLs cannot determine the nature of packet it is blocking. Also, ACL alone does not have the capacity to keep threats out of the network. Hence, the firewall was introduced. So, we are using the internet. Connectivity to the internet is no longer optional for organizations. However, accessing the internet provides benefits to the organization. Also, it enables the outside world to interact with the internal network of the organization. So, but in the worst side, this creates a threat to the organization. In order to secure the internal network from unauthorized traffic, we are in need of firewall. Firewall match the network traffic against the rule set defined in its table. Once the rule is matched, associate action is applied to the network traffic. Firewall maintains a set of rules for both cases, mostly for the outgoing traffic as well as incoming traffic. If any pattern mismatches, then the firewall will identify the attacker traffic, then it will take the necessary action to prevent the attacker to get inside of our network. So that's all about the basic concepts of intrusion prevention system with the help of firewall. Thank you.